Introducing the Mantis Sub housing for the Insta360 Pro 2 virtual reality camera. Now you can take the ultimate tool for professional VR filmmaking underwater, where life began. Using 6 lenses, the Pro 2 covers every angle and captures 2 8K videos for immersive, lifelike 3D experiences. The Mantis Sub housing is designed to provide full coverage for each lens with no obstruction from the housing, clean zenith and nadir, and large overlap between lenses, even up close. Swim effortlessly with this small and slightly buoyant housing and achieve smooth, dynamic moving shots with Insta360's legendary flow state stabilization.
Having a housing for a camera like the Insta360 Pro 2 it's an absolute amazing opportunity. It used to be that I would have to run these multi-camera arrays from the beginning of the dive all the way to whenever they ran out of batteries. So now with the Insta360 Pro 2, I have full camera controls. It is perfectly weighted. It is so easy to make it neutral, and it just floats along like it's doing the dive by itself.
The Mantis Sub solves the unique challenges of shooting 360 underwater. It's quick to set up, simple to operate, preserves battery and card space, and supports live monitoring and streaming. With only one camera and perfectly synced sensors, you save hours in preparation and post, increase productivity, and reduce production costs.
I'm able to just import all that footage right into either the Insta360 Pro Stitcher or Mystica VR. It's already synced, the cameras match, I just get to stitch and go. It has just made the biggest difference.
The Mantis Sub housing with Insta360 Pro 2 are the best tools on the market, making it easy to tell the story you really want to tell.